Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best KitchenAid Stand Mixers. Watch till the end to know our best recommendations from the list. Our list begins with KitchenAid 7 Quart Bowl-Lift Stand Mixer. Are you looking for a robust stand mixer with a huge bowl capacity to hold plenty of ingredients per batch? If you are, then the KitchenAid 7 Quart Bowl-Lift Stand Mixer will get you sorted. As its name suggests, the mixer comes with a 7-quart bowl capable of holding 13 dozen cookies per batch, an equivalent of 8.5 pounds of bread. Its 500-watt motor supplies enough rotational energy to mix the bowl's ingredients at 11 speeds. The mixer comes with a double flex edge beater designed to scrap the bowl while mixing, ensuring no untouched points in the mix. KitchenAid KSM150PS Artisan Series. The KitchenAid KSM150PS Artisan Series is another ideal stand mixer to address all the mixing and baking kitchen chores efficiently. The mixer has a 5-quart stainless steel removable bowl that can handle small and big batches, a flat beater, and a 6-wire whip. Its 325-watt motor comes with 10 speeds that let you mix ingredients to different fineness degrees. On the other hand, its tilt head design gives you better access to the bowl and lets you easily add ingredients to the mix. KitchenAid makes the mixer in 20 colors to match various styles and personalities. KitchenAid KSM150PS Artisan Design Series. Unlike the first two KitchenAid mixers we've addressed, the KSM150PS Artisan Design Series comes with a glass bowl. This adds more aesthetics and gives you a clear view of the ingredients as they mix. The bowl is also calibrated, heightening your measuring accuracy while mixing. Besides the bowl, many of its features are almost identical to those of the KSM150PS Artisan Series. For instance, the mixer also has a tilt head design and a 325-watt motor with 10 mixing speeds. Which is the best? The KitchenAid 7-quart bowl-lift stand mixer is the best of the three, as it comes with a higher motor efficiency, more speeds, and bowl capacity to mix more ingredients at a time. Its flat beater also maximizes output by scrapping the bowl surface throughout the mixing, hence no point remains untouched. Also, it has the same voltage as the other two, regardless of its higher efficiencies, making their power consumption almost similar. Thanks for watching.